Hello everyone and welcome to Mangal Educare. Mangal Educare की weekly discussion है वैसे ने पूरे topics ना new education policy का. So topic ऐसी मतंग आई ना discuss हो जो इसी कोई हाँ ना वैसे another policy ज़ी ममांग दा करना policy exist हुआ अतुगा जिके लाइबा लाइबा another policy ना करी changes proper है नहीं का. हम ये मिनरसी. So new education policy replaces the previous policy on education 1986. 1986 की लेरम बहाना ये education policy national policy on education 1986 replace तो वह नहीं को national education से NEP है ना short form तक आज ममांग है ओके हमारे short form तो इन हाइजर के NEP है ना को national education policy 2020 मसी approve तो की बसी union cabinet of India on 29 July 2020 दा मसीना कई हम this outlines का मसीना outline तो इसी कहीं इंडिया के अनोवा education system division सिंह दुगा मसी aim से कहीं हम इंडिया के education system से पूरा transform तो पा by 2022 2021 हंड्रेड चाहिए से तक education system से इंडिया की लाइव से पूरा transform तो पा समाई aim से So shortly, masi list of government policy, list of government clarified that no one will be forced to study a particular language. Amada study to high force to my medium instruction say will not be shifted from English to any regional language. Duga hana leramodila is that the medium of instruction will not be shifted from English to any regional language ko masini mathang magi lairiba major highlights in si ahamada hari se magi schooling to begin from 3 years of age ko schooling se chahi ahum dagi hawa ina han lairamba magi policy matu ina 6 to 14 ko years ko magi mandatory schooling so helami huju another policy matu ina 3 to 18 years sign on thai ko 3 to 18 years of age masigi another systems na 12 years of schooling ko include the holy maduda plus 3 years of preschooling hai baba that is anganwadi go preschooling hai ga digo so main tawna mai schooling is 3 years degi hawa aduga 12 years of schooling plus 3 years of preschooling so mother tongue na medium of instruction ko the mother tongue is now to be insisted as the medium of instruction aduna national education policy na was na kadaw ga hamtam student ki mother tongue sila focus tawiba to masi medium instruction ohenba aduga ma han leramba 3 language formula to stick tawiba and it also mandate the holy kedoba that no language would be imposed on anyone language amekta any language amekta imposed over to malay rego so mother tongue to be insisted as medium of instruction ko mathangi dana single overarching body of higher education nuna hoyi entire higher education gi oina hoyi single overarching body ma set up tawba do set up tawdo isi kana no higher HECI की full form दी Higher Education Commission of India मसीना कोई single overarching umbrella body मा entire higher education की दमक set up तौर दे तो हारेबा मसीगी higher education है बस दा medical अमसुंग legal education दी exclude तौर ये तो the same set of norms for regulation, accreditation and academic standards से मसी public अमसुंग private higher education अनि मक्ते apply तौर दे को Then next separation between subject streams to be blurred. Aduna another policy see matu in a rigid separation part subjects in mark level say stream will be done away with because students in the liberty pb ba my subject ni choose tawna ba akoina pamsa ba sadi tawi ba stream du matu in adu class 6 tagi hauna introduce outdori ba we magi vocational education plus internship se and internship too ko ani se class 6 se introduce tawdori mathangda return of the FYUP program and no dropouts like the namuka koi graduation undergraduate degree taw matamda duration course ki duration to 3 to 4 years only masida students in the multiple tawbo ngamna options pb ba masi period se manungda koi student na 1 year my tamliba discipline da natraga film ekta da haidar hareko tawra matung natraga 2 years of study my diploma I matung da natraga diploma taw matung da adu bachelor degree ko 3 years complete tawra matung ma se leave log ha matung da colleges sing sina satra da koi students sing da certificate and grant tawiba asi kai gina ha matung da academic bank of credit have established tawdori maduna government ne establish tawdoni ma se masini ka government digitally my academic credit earn tawbogin store tawbiba mo institution sing degi earn tawgiba sing do adu store taw thambiba do kona masi transfer tawraga count tawba han ba magi final degree da earn tawrapodu do ba smana drop out laitena ba magi posak amni masi So my major highlights are higher no policy schooling from 3 years of age, mother tongue to be insisted as the medium of instruction, a single overarching body umbrella of higher education, then separation between subject streams to be blurred, and liberty PV by subject choose over the students in the and return of the FYP program so that there is no dropouts. That's an important over higher. The Union Cabinet approved of the Magi aims universalization of education habisniko. Masikai the preschool the Horaga secondary level book. The my target say 100% GER. Hamniko 100% GER have the gross enrollment ratio haveni. Masi targets 100% higher is the education is some more objective say benefit children sing the benefit PV ba. I did children sing the Magi learned on the opportunities say lost lehend excel to man ba Magi bird amasung bird background circumstances depend on the vidadna 100% GER target lehli in school education by 2030. Duga masta in Punjabi ba Atmanirbhar program hai basi matang hajara ko masi ki makhada koi NEP 2020 ki my particular vision lari basi translate tawga ngaman ba Masi national initiative for proficiency haitare ko in reading with understanding numeracy haitare maduni du masi mission si makada 3 to 11 years put laiba age group laiba angang sing masing hairagadi 5 crore children aduki yang ko 5 crore children sing sigi magi learning tawnabagi needs darkar laiba sing du ko adu fulfill tawba ngaman ba masini and amasung atopam na haragana stakeholders sing sibu actively participate tawhan ba my goals achieve to ngam na bai da makta ko tang parak hana ma yauri masi ke tangina hajarang ge parak sigi matang da parak habisi performance assessment review and analysis of knowledge for holistic development amukhan jage parak habisi performance assessment review and analysis of knowledge for holistic development habani masina kai daman ge amtamda regular check thamna ba education system da masi national assessment center amani masi propose to set up tawna ba masi education system se regular checking leina bani aduga khoi project amla stars have the strengthening teaching learning and results for steps have madugi project to the CERC have the contingency emergency response componency yahondori masina government da koi learning losses like abusing the tackle to hanba learning losses have the school closure school close like the emergency mas ta tholak padigi samna the corona la padi school close to basin the loss like abusing the learning losses like abusing tackle to hanba government dugu makali project hajege muthang da policy failure is matang lachari ko policy failures ni contribute toriba ma ka hani reason khara lai do sing du marta maru bida overly optimistic expectations and overall maramna underestimation of cost and time lai ba aduna policies implement taw ngam deba the inadequate collaboration policy making masina marmoraga ko stakeholders in collaborate taw ngam the policy se fazana implement taw ngam deba the implementation in dispersed governance ko have the policies na kedoba my constraints in the respectively fit taw no honor for the implement taw ngam deba then vagaries of political cycle ko asidi kaina ham tamda policy makers in na short term results khatang concentrate tawraba aduga failures e moy madugi tek to phangning da failure oi bagi aduga pass tawbagi credit tang longning ba on implementation na fail orakpa so the contribute to your policy failure da haragadi overly optimistic expectation inadequate collaborative policy making implementation dispersed governance and vagaries of political cycle point mari sikha thamjage mathangi da mo lakcharage we mamang haije ki 12 years schooling habisi amasu 3 years of preschooling masi matang da haije ko hana leramba 10 to plus have structure do adudagi hungdo anova policy hi makhada 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 haiba sigumba ko yi structure of schools curricula ama aduna replace tawdori masida 5 habits da 3 to 8 years ko 3 habits na 8 to 11 years 3 mathangi 3 na 11 to 14 years to last ki 4 na 14 to 8 years respectively the minus hi semai khai do it no das 12 years of schooling and 3 years of preschooling asini magi 12 schooling matang the higher san on hajara badi ko matang higher policies kamaina successfully implement tawdagi habani ko ha the government na kai stakeholders initiative secret tawbangamba masina masi kadonam hadi koi NEP se successfully at all levels implement tawbangam namni masina maram or implementation smooth amasung uniform ohangani matang formulate instruments kai da in the form of legal policy regulatory and institutional mechanisms da matang build reliable information repositories ko next develop adaptability hai se kada da higher education institutes singda regulatory bodies singda amasung government agencies singda then develop credibility se kada develop tawba through transparent action and participation of all stakeholders aduga last develop sound principle of management ko na my principle my later principle of sound oiba mong develop tawbiba so masini maroi ba khar hair ko because school sing actually madu ka doba koi teaching and learning process se bhajan redefine tawbudi tai koi harib anoba policy se implement tawba ngamna ba gi tamak ko so see pointing se ru ba khara hair hajara ga di school na mu piclingai di hora class in the focus over say my literary numeracy skills haiba masidasu focus tawbi kidam ni my reading writing ni speaking skills ko chahi angang macha koi class 1 2 ho ko de dum adu de hobi kidam ni adu juk lai there is a need for we shift ama darkar or structure sida we learning outcome se competition lom the base over na taba koi reason result to my last accountable result to the performance pasapada madu de depend tawraga so these are the few points ko koi implement successfully tawba ngam ba hairadi so masi topic asi matang sa lotion jigi any doubts ko always mayam dum comment ang biya pa yagani next week tam atopa topic na mayam discuss on nursery thank you for the class